Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, I got a short quick video that I had to make sure I go ahead and post immediately for you. So you guys, if you are on Instagram and you see where on Instagram people are telling you to comment and they're telling you to use a certain word in order for you to get a link to something, right? So on Instagram people are using ManyChats, right? If you have never heard of it or you didn't know exactly how they are getting these triggers to come directly to your DMs on Instagram, a marketing tactic for you to use is a company called ManyChats. With ManyChats, you're able to have a keyword that triggers something that you want to send to whoever comment on your post to say a word, right? And listen to me carefully, because this is about to change the game for you. Now, instead of you having to use ManyChats, Stand Store has come up with their own auto DM. That means that if you are a Stand Store user, you need to get on this immediately. This is going to change the game for you, okay? So if you are a Stand Store user, this means that you no longer need to use ManyChat in order for you to market on Instagram. So how this is going to change the game for you and how you are going to be able to make a lot of money is you are going to use words on each of your posts on Instagram so that people can get direct links to what you have to offer. So instead of you just putting your Stand Store link in your bio, now you are going to set up auto triggers using Stand Store. Let's just say that you have a PLR book or ebook or a bundle or whatever that you want to send to your potential customers. Say you're creating these reels, and on your videos, in your caption, you're gonna say comment the word ready if you're ready to start making $1,000, right? They're gonna comment the word ready, and when they comment the word ready, it's gonna trigger for you to send a DM directly to them on Instagram with your link. Y'all, let me tell you something. Now, I told you guys I'm on Instagram currently. Now, I just started a page 2 weeks ago, and I am getting a lot of traction on this page. This is a brand new account. If you have not started taking your digital product business, this is what I want you to do so you do not miss out. This is going to be a game changer, and a lot of people is about to jump on this. The creators who didn't know about ManyChats or did not use ManyChats, now that Stand Store is offering this means that all Stand Store creators will more than likely begin to use this. So what I want you to do is, if you do not have a Stand Store account, I want you to go ahead and get a Stand Store account. It's going to give you 14 days free. And after those 14 days, you will only have to pay $29 a month for the regular plan, or if you want to upgrade to the Pro version, it's going to cost you $99. But you do not have to have the Pro version in order for you to use this marketing tactic. This is going to be the most easiest way for you to begin marketing without having to do extra work, you guys. If you do not have a PLR product, or if you do not have an ebook or a course or anything to sell, I want you guys to go ahead, start your Stand Store, and I want you to take advantage of the sale that I have right now. You're going to get 1,600 faceless reels that you can use as well as resell. You're going to get 640 stock photos to use on the cover photo for your Instagram page. When you create the reel and it asks you for a cover, you're able to make your page look aesthetic by using these stock photos. You're also going to get 10 ebooks that's going to teach you how to market, how to set up your emails so that you can promote in your emails. You're going to know how to use faceless marketing. It's also going to teach you the Instagram reels. It's going to teach you how to market in your Instagram stories. You guys, everything that you need in order for you to run Instagram, you will have access to this. You will also get videos that's going to help you to go ahead and start taking your content serious. So if you've been struggling and you don't know how to get started, if you've been struggling with starting starting your Instagram and you just need to learn, you're able to use this material to learn how to operate your Instagram account, but you're also able to resell it, you guys. So I want you to jump on this and I want you to go ahead and get started, because you do not want to miss this opportunity. This is a huge thing that Stan Store has done, and I want you to go ahead and take advantage, because I know that this marketing tactic is about to blow up and a lot of creators are about to begin getting paid. So go ahead, tap in. If you need access to Stan Store, make sure you go down below in my description where I will have the Stan Store link so that you can get started and get those free 14 days, as well as the Real Money bundle. I do have that link below as well. Go ahead and get it right now while it's on sale for $47. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't say you guys didn't know. Don't say I didn't put you on, because I'm giving you the details as the details has just began to come out and be released. So take advantage of it and go ahead and get started right now. See you guys on my next video. Bye.